Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, see here. In this video, we are going to discuss the problems from fractions and decimals. Children, in your material, they given from starting onwards, just like that from natural numbers onwards, they given natural numbers, whole numbers, okay? And we also know that natural numbers, after whole numbers, after integers, after we know that rational numbers. So, rational numbers is in the form of P by Q. So, those P by Q forms, we will call that one as a fraction form also, okay? So, that's why in that material also, they given as just like that rational numbers related. Wherever they mention that rational number, that is a fractional form. Okay, that is a fraction number. Okay, ma. See here, what are the questions they given in that worksheet 1? These are related to natural numbers, whole numbers, and in the same way integers also. Okay, just introduction part they given as worksheet 1. Okay, what they given here in that worksheet 1? See here, x plus 7 is equals to 7. X plus 7 is equals to 7. X belongs to n. So, x belongs to n means what here? X belongs to n means x is a natural number. Okay. Then find here what is the value of x. What number we need to add to 7? We will get it as 7. Okay. That is the meaning of that question. So, what number we need to add here? How we can find this one? See here. So, x is equals to 7. Here plus 7 becomes as minus 7. So, x is equals to 0. If you add 0 to that 7, then we will get that 7. Yes or no? Is there any other possibility? There is no any other possibility, ma. Why? Because if you add 0 to 7, then only we will get it as 7. If you add any other number, then the answer will be changed. Okay, so that's why here what is the possible value of x here? X is equal to 0. Okay, but x does not belongs to natural number. X does not belongs to natural number, but here the condition is x belongs to n. If x belongs to n, is there any possibility to add the number to 7? We will get the same number itself as the result. Okay, it is not possible, no? So that's why here answer is does not exist. Understand? Let us see here next question, ma. Second question. X plus 7 is equals to 7. X plus 7 is equal to 7. Same question, but here the condition changed. What is that? That is x belongs to W. W means here whole numbers. So, x is a whole number. Okay, then there is a possibility or not. See here. X plus 7 is equals to 0. Sorry, x plus 7 is equal to 7. So, same number itself we need to get it as an answer. Means something we need to add here. Okay, just like the previous one only, no? That's why x is equals to 7 plus 7 becomes as minus 7. From this one, x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Okay, now in this set of whole numbers, 0 is there or not? Yes, of course, 0 is there. Why? Because 0 is the smallest whole number. Okay, so and in the same way, set of whole numbers starting also from 0 only, no? 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So here there is a possibility or not? If x is a whole number, then there is a possibility. If x is a natural number, then it does not exist. Understand? So that's why x is equal to 0. Then what is the value of x here? X is equal to 0 possible. Why? Because x is a whole number. But previous one, x is a natural number. That's why that is does not exist. Understand, ma? So what is that answer here? That is option A. Clear? Yes. Next. Question number 3. The successor of 1000 in natural numbers. The successor of 1000 in natural numbers. So, in natural numbers, 1000 is there. But here successor means what? Add one or just next number. After number. Yes or no? After number only, no? But here what is the number they given here? 1000 they given. So you can take that, add 1. 1000 plus 1 is equals to 1001. 1000 plus 1 is equal to 1001. Okay, and in the same way 1000 after, what is the next number of 1000? That is 1001 only, no? Okay, that is the successor here. Okay, so which option is correct, ma, here? Option B is correct, that is 1001. Understand? Yes. Next, let us see here question number 4. What is that? Predecessor of 1 in natural numbers. Predecessor of 1 in natural numbers. But here, predecessor means what? Predecessor means minus 1. or just we have to do that here, given number minus 1, or before number, just before number. Just before number. Clear? For example, here 3 is there. So what is the predecessor of 3? 2 is the predecessor of 3. What is the predecessor of 2? That is 1. 1 is the predecessor of 2. Okay, just before number or minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Clear? Now here what is the question? According to this one, they are saying that 1 belongs to natural number. 1 is a natural number. So in the set of natural numbers, here is it possible, ma? N is equals to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, what is the smallest natural number here? 1 is the smallest natural number. Okay, but before here 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 does not belongs to natural number. 0 does not belongs to natural number. So that's why is it possible here? That's why this is does not exist. Okay, predecessor of 1 does not exist in natural numbers. Am I clear, ma? Yes. Let us see here question number 5. Predecessor of 1 in whole numbers. So predecessor of 1 in whole numbers means predecessor. Okay, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 belongs to whole number or not? Yes, of course 0 belongs to whole number. So that's why this is possible or not, ma? So predecessor of 1 is 0. Okay, and that is belongs to whole numbers, and in the question answer they given as whole numbers. Understand? Yes. Next. Question number 6. The biggest 2-digit prime number. The biggest 2-digit prime number. So 2-digit prime numbers, what are those? We know that starting from the first 2-digit prime number is 11. Okay, and up to that the greatest 2-digit prime number is 97. The greatest 2-digit prime number is 97. Okay, 97 after 98, 99, 100. What is the greatest 2-digit number, ma? Greatest 2-digit number is 99. Okay, 99 is not a prime number. 96 is not a prime. So just before 98 is there. 98 is also not a prime. Okay, but after that 97 is there. So 97 is a prime. Understand? So this is the greatest 2-digit prime number. Understand? So which option is correct, ma, here? Yes, option C is correct. That is 97. Understand? So smallest 2-digit prime number is 11. Greatest 2-digit prime number is 97. Understand? Yes. Let us see here next question number 7. The sum of the least positive integer and biggest negative integer. Least positive integer. So least positive integer is least positive integer is 1. Okay, and in the same way biggest negative integer. Biggest negative integer. Biggest negative integer is minus 1. Am I clear? Now what they are asking? The sum of least positive integer and biggest negative integer. So it's a sum they are asking. So plus 1 plus of minus 1 which is equals to 1, plus of minus is minus 1 which is equals to 0. Understand? So the sum of least positive integer and biggest negative integer is 0. Clear? So 7th answer is A. Next, let us see here question number 8. Let us see here question number 8. HCF of co-primes. So HCF of co-primes. Co-primes means here 2 and 3 are co-primes. Yes or no? Okay, and simply we can say that when we can say HCF co-primes, those two HCF is equals to 1. Okay, if that two numbers HCF is equals to 1, then we will call those two numbers are co-primes or relative primes, right? So here also the HCF of co-primes is 1. Understand? Just say here 2 ones 2 and here 1, again 1 2's 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. So what is the HCF here? HCF is equals to 1. Okay, and in the same way if you will take that any two numbers, 4, 9, 4 and 9 are co-primes or not? Just check here. 4 2's 8, 1 1 4s 4, 0. So what is the HCF here? HCF is 1. Understand ma? So here the HCF of co-primes is 1. So which option is correct here? Option A is correct. Am I clear? Yes. Question number. See that next question number 9. The predecessor of minus 1 in integers. The predecessor of minus 1 in integers. So minus 1, 0, 1 are the integers, we know that. 0 left side we are having the negative values and 0 right side we are having the positive values. So here these values all are negative values, right? These all are negative values. Understand? So here the predecessor of minus 1. Predecessor of minus 1 means here. Predecessor of minus 1 is minus 1 and we know that we have to take that minus 1. So minus 1 is equals to minus 2. So what is the predecessor of minus 1 here in that integers? That is a minus 2. Understand? So option B is correct here. Next, question number 10. The number of 2-digit prime numbers. The number of 2-digit prime numbers. We know that number of primes from 1 to 100. How many primes are there? 1 to 100 we know that totally 25 primes are there. How many primes? 25 primes are there. Okay. Number of 1-digit primes. Number of 1-digit primes. How many primes are there? 4 primes are there. What are those ma here? That is 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the 1-digit primes. Understand? So 1 to 100 we are having that 1-digit primes as well as 2-digit primes also there, no? So from that 1 to 100, if you subtract 4 1-digit prime numbers, then you will get that number of 2-digit primes. Okay? See here. Number of 2-digit primes. 2-digit primes, which is equals to total number of primes 25 minus 4, which is equals to 21 2-digit primes are there. So number of 2-digit primes means here 10 to 99. 10 to 99, how many primes are there? So 10 to 99, how many primes are there ma? 21 primes are there. Understand? So which option is correct ma here? Option A is correct, that is 21. Understand? Yes. Let us see here question number 11. So what is that question number 11? See here. 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus 7 minus 8 plus and so on minus 2016 plus 2017. Okay, just observe this one. What is the answer here? See, when you observe that 1 and 2 terms, 3, 4 terms, 5, 6 terms and so on. Okay, when you combine together 1 minus 2, so here answer is minus 1. Yes or no? 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus and here minus 1 plus here minus 1 plus and here also minus 1. 7 minus 8 is minus 1 and so on. Up to here where we will get ma? The last number is for example here 2015. 2015 minus 2016. So here also we will get it as minus 1 plus 2017. Minus 1 plus 2017. So from this one, how many pairs we will get here? Just see, 1 and 2 is there. So this is one of the pair. How we can say that 1 and 2? How many numbers are there here? 2 numbers are there. So 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So that's why here this is one of the pair. And come to this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to here, how many pairs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 2. So we will get it as 2 pairs. And in the same way, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, if you want to consider these 4 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers also if you want to consider. So the greatest number is 8 by 2, which is equals to 4 pairs. We are getting here 4 pairs, yes or no? First pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair. Am I clear to you? And in the same way here, minus 1 plus minus 1 plus and so on up to how many times? Up to how many times? Just see here 2016 by 2. Then we will get it as 1008. Up to 1008 times we will get it as. Okay, plus 2017. Plus 2017. 1008 times minus 1 is in repetition. Okay, 1008 times minus 1 is in repetition. Then what is that answer here? See, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 and so on up to how many times ma? Minus 1 into up to 1008 times. So, we will get this one as minus 1008. Yes or no? Just see here, minus 1, minus 1. Okay, 2 times. So, this is minus 2. Understand? For example, 3 times there, then that is minus 3. Minus 1, 4 times there, minus 4. Understand? 5 times there, minus 5. 6 times, minus 6. And in the same way here, 1008 times there. So, that's why here, minus 1008 plus 2017. Okay? From this one, 2017 minus 1008. So, 7 minus 8, not possible, right? So, this is 17 minus 8, which is equals to 9. And here, this is 0. 0, 0, 1. Okay. So, 1009. 1009 is a positive or negative here? Children, please change this option as 1009. Okay. Change that option as 1009. So, here answer is 1009. Understand ma? So, this is question number 11. And here question number 12, what is that? Every composite number is A. Every composite number is A. For example, composite numbers. Okay. So, composite numbers, what are the composite numbers here? 1 is a composite? No, 1 is neither composite nor prime. And 2 is a prime, 3 is a prime. 4 is the composite number, 5 is that prime number. Next 6 is the composite number, 7 is the prime, 8 is composite, 9 is composite, 10 and so on. Okay, these are the composite numbers, right? So here every composite number is a. First option, what is that? Natural number. So 4 is a natural number or not? Yes. 6 is a natural number? Yes. 8 is a natural number? Yes. 1000, that is a composite number and it is a natural number. Yes or no? Yes. So first one is satisfying. Next, 4 is a whole number or not? Yes. 6 is a whole number? Yes. 8 is a whole number? Yes. 1000 is a whole number? Yes. Okay, 1000 is a composite number and it is a whole number. So that's why B also satisfying. Understand? And in the same way, here 4, 6, 8 and so on. This set is belongs to natural number. And in the same way, 4, 6, 8 and so on. This set is belongs to whole numbers. And in the same way, those are integers or not? 4 is an integer, yes or no? Yes, positive integer. 6 is also positive integer. 8 is also positive integer. So, these are all the numbers are integers. 4, 6, 8 and so on belongs to integers I or Z. Clear? So, third option also satisfying here. Okay. From this one, what is that answer here? Option D is correct. That is all of the above. Understand? Yes. Let us see here question number 13. What is that? Every prime number is. Now see here. Every prime number. Prime numbers. What are those here? 1 is a prime number? No, 1 is neither prime nor composite. So, prime number starting from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Understand? As per that option, see here 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on are belongs to natural numbers. Yes or no? Yes, 2 is a natural number, 5 is a natural number, 7 is a natural number and so on. Okay, next come to that whole numbers. 2 is a whole number, 3 is a whole number, 5 is a whole number and so on. Why? Because all the positive natural numbers are whole numbers. But all whole numbers are not natural numbers, right? So here all the natural numbers are whole numbers, belongs to whole numbers also. Understand? And come to that option C, A and B. Just we will see. We have to check that option D also, no? What is that? Irrational number. Irrational numbers means irrational number. Those are in the form of root 2, root 3 and so on. Those are irrational. Are irrational numbers. Understand? But see here. 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on does not belongs to irrational numbers, Q dash. Okay, Q dash means here irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Okay, see here ma, which option is correct here now? These are satisfying for natural numbers and whole numbers. So which option is correct? Yes, option C is correct, that is A and B. Understand? So children, up to here 13 questions there in that worksheet 1. Okay, so worksheet 1 completed. In the next video we will discuss that worksheet 2. Okay, thank you all.